going to show you how you can add in Google Sheets. So it's super simple, just like you using the Microsoft Excel. So now that you have a spreadsheet open, you can start working in it. Sheets automatically save every change you make. So how to add text or data? Just click on cell you like and just enter the text. For example, um, yeah, like so. Um, for example, yeah, like so. Um, you can insert more item. Just click format. Sorry, just click insert, and you can add the cell, chart, match, and then drawing function, and etc. You can add in this Google Sheet. So, for instance, I'm going to add the images. Just click insert image in cell, select upload, just browse, and select your um, image. So you go adjust for the scale of the cell, like so. So that's how to add in Google Sheet. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.